On the bench today, we've got a linear 40 channel AM SSB, Australian model. This is also made, well, the primary company was SBE. This is the 240 volt Australian version brought into Australia, obviously, and it was made under license under a different name and liner. Feature pack radio. This one includes the SBE Desmite rated audio punch. Scan features, the way the meters were set up and the coloration of the meters was quite unique for the day. The wood grain finish on it is exceptionally good. A couple of little chips on the corners that you'd always expect for a radio made in the 1970s when they made quality CB radios. I'll just quickly turn on the scan feature so you can have a quick look on how that works. I've disconnected the squelch on this one. I just turn the volume down because what would happen, especially these days with solar panels on certain channels, you'd get a rise in the QRM and it would break the squelch and it'd get quite annoying, and the only way we got around it was to disconnect the squelch and just turn the volume down. It was really handy to do. Yeah, as you can see, it's just a great honest radio, great receiver on these. It's been changed from an 18 channel, had a 40 channel clicker put in it. It was peaked and tuned. I know the meters look a bit bright. They had LEDs put in, but as everyone knows, the cameras don't really like the LED lights for some unknown reason. Just another great radio from the 1970s. More videos to come. Hope you enjoy my videos. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. 73s, guys.